In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Looker Studio report on a website. We'll start right from the beginning. Open your browser and search for Looker Studio. If you're already connected to a Google account, you'll land in your workspace automatically. If not, just sign in so you can access your reports. Once you're in, browse through your list of reports and open the one you want to place on your site. It can be any existing dashboard you'd like to share. Next, switch the report into edit mode so you have access to all the sharing and embedding options. Before grabbing any code, it's important to confirm who should be able to see this report once it's embedded. In the top right, click Share. In the Who Has Access section, choose Manage Access or click the restricted label if you see it. Change the setting to Anyone with the link can view if you want the embedded version to be publicly viewable. If you prefer to limit access, keep it restricted and make sure the specific people you add have viewer permissions and are signed into their Google accounts when they visit your page. Click Save, then Done. With permissions set, open the Embed options, go to File, then Embed Report. If you're in view mode, you can also use the angle brackets icon to reach the same place. In the window that appears, check Enable Embedding. Make sure the Embed Code option is selected rather than a URL. Now click Copy to Clipboard to grab the generated iframe snippet. Head to your website's HTML editor or into your content management system. Open the page or post where you want the report to appear and locate the HTML source area or a custom HTML block. Paste the iframe code exactly as you copied it. You can adjust the width and height values in the snippet to fit your layout if needed, but don't change the source link inside the iframe. Save or publish your changes to push the update live. Depending on your website platform, you might need to switch to a code view or a custom HTML widget. Those areas are designed to accept iframe embeds. Some themes or security plugins restrict iframes, so check your platform's settings if nothing appears after publishing. Finally, visit the page and confirm the report loads and responds to filters as expected. If viewers run into a sign-in prompt, revisit the access settings we adjusted earlier. As a quick recap, set access, enable embedding, copy the iframe, paste it into your site, and publish. That's it. Your Looker Studio report is now embedded on your site and ready to share.